advancing community resilience through automatic data analytics and insights.
Once it's installed, you will have it like just any other application on your phone. So, and then you can just click on it and it will load. Yeah. So if you have, oh sorry, let me first log out because I was already inside.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is what happens in case you click on it. Where is it? Here it is. Okay. Oops. Log out. Okay. So this is the page which shows when you just click on it when you haven't logged in. It shows like this. So what to do? You can continue clicking. You see what I'm just tapping?
Yeah.
Any space around the page, and then it will bring you up to this stage. So when you reach this stage, you will see, let's get started. To get started, choose from the account type below. For organizations, you continue in the blue, or for students or individuals. So for this case, we are going to use for students or individuals, right? So I will click this black continue, which is here.
Okay.
So now what you do, you come in log in. Login is down here. You can see save and continue. Let me see. For me, if for you don't have the application and you are signing up for the first time, you see they sign up here, right?
Yes.
Student stroke video information. So you will feed in your information here, and then of course we'll agree with the terms and conditions, save and continue. So for this case, for my case, I have the what? The account. So I will come and log in, which is right down here. Already have an account, so I will tap in login. Then I will of course put my username. For me, I've already saved it in my phone, so I will just choose that. And then I tap login. You see, it has already logged me into my account. So you can see Ogwang,
Yes.
EKCOLAB Analytics, and those are my details. You see? Yeah. So what you do, you will now there is a what? Let me see. It is already rushing here. So there is this icon which is having some kind of graph. I don't know if you're seeing it. It is blue. It is now. I've clicked on it. Okay, you see this first one which is having boxes on the extreme what? On the extreme left. So we want this one, which is what? Having some kind of bar graph and then a line graph up. So you tap on this one. So when I tap on that, you can see what is displayed on my screen. Now, what you are seeing on my screen, it is my project, right? And the project, if you can critically see, it is written Ariaga in small letters. And then the project name is that thing which is written in black, GCC 42025 UGON. Now, what those letters mean, those are abbreviations of letters, right? Now, the name of my project is Gulu City Community. That is the abbreviation GCC, right? Because that is the name of my project, Gulu City Community. And so I did that. I created that project on April 20th, April 2025. That is the meaning of that 4 and 20 and 25. So I created that project on 20th of April 2025 in Uganda. That UG is for the country Uganda, and of course the last 2 letters stands for my name, the short forms of my name, Ogwang Nicholas. You see? So you find out that all those letters, they mean something. Can you get me?
Yes.
Yes. So as you can see, the below those abbreviations, there is 5 field analyses. Those are the analyses that I have done so far within my project. You get? I have done so far 5 analyses. You can see it clearly there. So whenever you do your analysis, it is reflected in your folder, in your project. So for this case, I have so far done 5 analysis. If I continue doing more analysis, it will be reflected here. Remember yesterday, we were saying you need to have a minimum of 19 or more analyses. So all those analyses will be reflected here per quarter. Now, if you have like 3 quarters, 4 quarters, 2 quarters, so you can multiply and then you will see the number of analyses that should be reflected down here. So as you can also see still, it is on 20th April 2025, just like I told you within the other abbreviation. So this is the page which comes up. So for your case, you will have nothing which will be reflecting here since you will not have any project. So what do? There you come down here and then you can see create a new project, which is the first icon here. There's even a plus. Then there is the other one, edit project information. Then there is this one, create new field analysis. Then there is the other one, learn the basics of creating project file and analysis. So for this case, for us, we want to create a new project. You get? So you first have to create a project and then you will create field analysis inside the project.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello, yes.
Am I clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, my network was a bit bad for a second there.
Sorry. Are we now together?
Yeah.
Yes, we're together.
Okay. Yes. So I was like, you are now, since for you, in your case, you don't have a project, you will come and tap on create a new project, which I'm going to click on create a new project. So this is the page which will pop up for you to create a new project. So you will have to write the name of your project. So for example, let us say we are creating a project called what? Yes? Are you giving me any name of project we are creating?
Any is fine. I think maybe maybe try Neno.
What?
Neno, Neno. It's an
Neno.
area here.
Neno. Neno community.
Yeah, it's a district. Let's just say district.
Neno district.
Yeah.
Okay. Project. Okay. Oh, it's fine. Let me put like that. Neno district. Okay. Fine. Let me give it that. Name of community or village under study. You will give me the area there within Neno. That you are going to focus on.
Yeah, we can say Dambe. That's DA. M.
Yes.
BE.
DE.
Yeah.
Dambe. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Dambe.
BE, not DE.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. My
Dambe.
bad.
Dambe community, right?
Yeah.
Then the country of work, of course, you will click on this small drop down arrow and it will bring for you all the countries. So where?
In Malawi.
Malawi. Oh, you're from Malawi. I have a very good friend in Malawi.
Oh, really?
Brother Luke. Yes. Very good friend. He's a very good friend of mine. Let me see Malawi where we are. Is cryptocurrency now accepted in Malawi? Anyway, okay. So
Not
we have Malawi is right there, right?
Yeah.
You see? Now the start date of project is automatic. It comes by itself. End date of project. They are already here. Yeah. But Mr. Ekole, I don't know, can we edit this? End of project.
You can't edit
Start.
it.
So that one is it comes by itself. Okay. So now this is what we have so far. We have already put this information. Then you can choose a picture of the community you are studying, right? So what happens is that you will have to first take you will have to first take the you will have to first take the picture of of any part of your community that you are going to study. You get?
Yes.
So when you take the picture of any part of the community you are going to study, then you will come now here, picture of community under study, there is upload snap. So what you do, this plus which is here in this blurry box is what you tap. You just tap there Just tap on that. Then,
Yep.
of course, your collections will come. Are you seeing?
Yes.
Your photos, your what. So you will come and select the community. Let me say, I'm going to use this picture. Where is it? Have I even chosen it? Let me, that is the picture, right?
Yeah.
Then I would say, select. So I have selected the picture, but we are not seeing it there. So what you do, you save and continue, right?
Yes.
Yes, you do it once, don't do it like right. Just do it. If you have not seen, just save and continue. So I'm going to save. Now it's there working. You see?
Yes.
So let's check. Just come back here. So this was my project. We have Are you seeing? Now this is
Yes,
the
I can see.
project we have just created. You see,
Ah,
Dambe
okay.
community. What is the name of the other place? ND.
And then
Something like that.
yeah.
By myself. You see now, the last digit, we have created it on what? 2025 on 19th of July. You see, this 7 is meaning July, 19 is meaning what? The date of today, which is 19th. 25 is meaning the year, which is 2025. MW is meaning Malawi, right? And
Yeah.
then ON is meaning what? Ogwang Nicholas. Because this is my account where we have created this project. That is why you see the last abbreviation is my name. So if it was in your phone, it will bring your name, like the abbreviation of your name. You get?
Ah, okay, I see.
Yes, yes. So far we have zero field analysis, as you can see. You see? Now
Okay.
you will have to carry out analysis, or I will have to carry out analysis within this project. Then that is when we shall now see a field analysis being represented there. You get? So
Yes.
that means within my what? My page, I have now two projects. The first one is this one with 5 analysis. The second one is this one we have just created. So that is how to create what? A project. Now we already have that project. Now, if we have the project, what next? We need now to start analysis within the project. You see, it is like your community is the project we are trying to talk about, right?
Yes.
Yes. So now we are now going to start carrying out analysis within your community. You get? So
Yes.
what do? You come now here, create new field analysis. Yesterday we said these analyses are very many, but we are going to create the one depending on the one you want to what? To start with. So you will come here after creating your what? Project. You now come here, create new field analysis. Tap on that. So when I tap on create new field analysis, you can see the page which comes. So what happens? Project. The project that you are going to do is the one you choose. Now you see this project here, project with the asterisk red. You choose the drop down arrow because I have two projects so far. You see?
Yeah.
There is my first project, which is Ariaga, and then the second project, which is what? Dambe community. So
Yeah.
since we are going to create analysis within Dambe community, we have to choose the project, what? Dambe community. You see?
Mm.
Then it shows up. Then on the analysis, which analysis do you want to carry out? You just tap on this drop down arrow. There are very many analyses as you can see here. Environmental pollution and contamination, community health, water scarcity and availability, hygiene and sanitation, household, hygiene and sanitation, public places, hygiene and sanitation, schools, household pipe water, streams and rivers, protected springs, open dug well, household storage container, water quality. So what do you want to carry out? Which analysis? For example, which one can we choose?
We can choose maybe. Oh, I wanted to check. I think the bottom one said something about water, household. No, not that one.
Which
Maybe
one?
streams and rivers. Let's just say streams and
Streams.
rivers.
So if streams and rivers, I choose it. You see? So under analysis, we have chosen SNR, which is streams and rivers. So
Yeah.
now what to do? You have now to go to that very stream, maybe the bank, not again inside the stream, you may drown. You go to the bank of the stream, and then what? You tap on the GPS location, that is the latitude and longitude. You just tap inside the box of what? GPS location. It will calculate automatically. So for this case, I'm going to tap on what? This GPS location inside that box. You see, it has calculated.
Yeah.
So it has already brought the latitudes and longitude of this place, assuming I was in the stream or the river. It has already uploaded there. Then type of water source or object under study. There you just type it. We are studying a stream, isn't it?
Yes.
Maybe it is a stream, maybe it is a river, you fill it there. So, yes?
No, good, it's great.
We go for it? Okay. I thought there was some comment. Okay. So that is the type of the water source, which is a stream, right? So the name of water source or object under study. It can be a name, a local community name, right?
Yeah.
How do people call that stream? Probably. I don't know how do you call any stream around there, for example, or a river.
They usually just give them maybe the problem is that the names I can think about, they're usually very complicated here. But maybe we can put I think Mulunguzi is not that bad.
Mulunguzi.
Yeah.
Let me try to write the Mulunguzi.
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah, like that.
Great. So start date and time. This is the date we are starting and the time, because it already comes automatic. Then the quarter name, you see. Now you see here quarter name, and then there is quarter. Now there is quarter 1. These quarters are very many, right? Which quarter are you in? Are you in quarter 1? Are you in quarter 2, quarter 3, up to quarter? There are very many quarters, up to quarter 30. So we are in quarter 1. We choose that quarter 1. So the quarter name, which name are we giving to that area that we have marked?
We can just say we can just call it Dambe too. I assume, because hey, those places, the names now they get very complicated. We can just call it Dambe again.
Dambe.
Yeah.
Dambe, like this, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. So if that is the quarter name and it is quarter 1, that is what we have. Then you do the same thing. You now come and upload the image of that community. So you tap on this small arrows, the plus icon, which is inside this faint rectangle, to upload the image, right? So when you tap on that, it is still what? Brings for you this. So assuming this is our stream. Now I've chosen that picture. Assuming you already taken the picture of the stream, now you just come and choose it and you select it. You see?
Yeah, okay.
It has brought it. We are not seeing yes, but what to do, just tap on save. You do it at once, do it save. So it's working to save. It has already saved. You see, when it is saved, it comes back to the project. Yeah. So let's go. Now check your project if we have any analysis. You see, we have field analysis. We have created already one field analysis. You see, it's right there.
Yeah, it says one field analysis.
So when I tap on your project, just tap anywhere within the project here. Tap on the project. Let me see. It comes. Now you see, there is a project in progress. It is until, you see, even the image is already there.
Yeah.
The project. Are you seeing that image we chose?
Yeah, I'm seeing it.
And then they're telling us it is in progress. Are you seeing now? You look at what is written here. My name is there, Ogwang Nicholas, and then the name of the community, the whole of, sorry, write up something. Yeah, okay. We are back. Here, you see the whole of this long line, NDP 7, 1925, Malawi, Ogwang Nicholas, dash, stream, and river. So the first long line is the project. Then this dash is showing us that we are doing analysis called stream and rivers under the project called what? Dembe, something like that, community on the 19th of July 2025 in Malawi by by myself, and it is in progress. Are you seeing?
Yes, I'm seeing.
So, what do we do? Now,
Okay.
if you want to continue with the project, we have to what? Tap on the project, right? Let me tap on it and we see. So, the project is here, right? Now, we have to continue analysis. To proceed now to finish the project, you have to tap on continue analysis. Now, what this is now, the page which loads for you to continue with the analysis. Now you have to answer these questions. That is the essence of yesterday's session. You get to help you understand these questions. You get, because if you have not understood them, then you are going to answer them wrongly, and of course, what will come out will be also garbage out, right? So these are 11 questions within this analysis called streams and rivers. So let's try to answer some of them. So we ask, are algae found inside the water source? Maybe it is a yes or a no. Assuming algae is there, we say yes, isn't it? We proceed to the second question. So you have to tap. It has already brought for you question 2 of 11. So another question is there. Are there agricultural activities carried out beside the stream or river? You see, if there are agricultural activities and you are seeing, because we assume you are on the ground and you are seeing that there are agricultural activities, you say yes. If they are not there, you say no. So assuming they are not there, you give it a no, right? Then the third question comes, is the stream or river a dumping ground for sewage or dirt? Assuming there are factories around the stream, and they are dumping a lot of dirt, and we are seeing it, you say yes. We move forward. Are there visible signs of contaminants like animals, waste, or sediment accumulation in the stream? Since we have already seen that they are dumping wastes within the stream, then possibly they are what? There are visible signs of contaminants like the waste, right? Yes. So we say yes. We proceed. So fifth question is saying, are there any visible signs of oil spillage in the water? Since there were factories. So yes, there are visible signs we can see, probably. We are assuming, by the way. But you have to be on the ground and then you see the exact things. Yeah, here we are assuming. So we say yes. Do people around the water source channel their drainage system that is emptying their household waste into the stream or river? Assuming the place is just congested with factories. So probably maybe people don't what? Dump their wastes there. So we can say a no. Are there other small springs or streams that enter into the water source? Can say either yes or no, basing on what? What you have seen and basing on the local knowledge. Because you also have to interact with those people around to help you answer some of these questions. You have to ask them. Some things you may not see, but then you can engage them, ask them, and they can give you what? The best responses. Yeah? So, assuming there are no smaller springs, you can say no. Is the water source cloudy? For example, because of the waste, probably it could be cloudy. So we say yes. Is the water source used as a transport medium? Definitely no, basing on our assumption. So if there are no boats or whatever, you can say no. Are there any open defecation in the water source? Either yes or no, basing on what you have seen and basing on the responses that people have given you. So probably if it is not there, you can say no. The last question, are there any septic tanks built adjacent, that is what, 1 to 2 meters closer to the river or stream? You can ask, or you can also see if there are any around. So if yes or no, you give the right response depending on what you have found out. Maybe if it is there, maybe 2 meters with regards to what has been said here, you give it a yes. Now, congratulations, you are almost done. Click submit analysis to complete your analysis. Or please go back and check your inputs properly for errors or wrong answers. Because once you click submit analysis, you will not be able to edit it again. You see?
Yes.
So for this case, they're telling us you can go back to question 10. You see, now we are here in question 10, and you can change your your response. Either you had made a mistake or you did not ask anybody and you are doubting that it seems I made a mistake in giving a yes or a no here. Are there any open defecation in the water source? And you had said no, and then they are telling you, here they are contaminating it from in front there, and you realize that. Then you'll have to come back and give it a yes. You see? And then maybe also these ones, are there any septic tanks built adjacent? We had given it a no, but if people tell you, there are no septic tanks here, then you can say a no. You see? Then after confirming all this, you have now, and you are sure, very sure, you can now submit. Because after submission, no more corrections. You get? Then you cannot click submit. It is right there.
Okay.
No, you see? So after submitting, you can come back to your project. It is there, one field analysis within your project of Dambe. If I check, I can click on the project itself, and then we see. Okay. My phone is not okay. Now you see, earlier on it was in progress, now it is completed. Do you see?
Yes.
You can see that it is now completed. Because and that is by the how to create the project, and we are done, right?
EKCOLAB Analytics. Advancing community resilience through automatic data analytics and insights.